Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to fix Xdefiant Game connection failed, likely due to poor local network error on Windows PC. So, the first thing we need to do when we get a connection error is to check the game's server status. Please visit the Ubisoft help page and the official Xdefiant Twitter page linked in the description. There, you'll see game news, including maintenance times, patches, and server-related issues. The next thing we need to do if the game's server has no problem is to check the internet connection. To do this, open the Start menu and search for CMD. Open the command prompt. When prompted, type ping, followed by a space and the URL you want to test. Press the Enter key. This test checks the speed and stability of your internet connection. It is often used to identify connectivity problems or packet loss. Here, I tried to check the connection to Ubisoft and Google site, and as a result I didn't lose connection to both. And also means that my internet does not lose connection. Also, the response speed of data transmission is also good. You can use these two results to compare your results. If your internet connection has problems and is unstable, then try restart the computer and router. After that, if the problem still occurs, then try using Troubleshooter to troubleshoot internet connection. To do this, go to Settings. On the System section, scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Next, click Run on Internet Connections. After that, click Run on Network Adapter. Choose all network adapters, then click Next and follow the instructions. Once done, relaunching Xdefiant and see if the connection error is fixed. In case your internet connection is good or the problem still appears, then you can refer to the other methods in the video that I showed earlier. I'll put the link in the description. That's it guys. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.